Hey everybody, and welcome back. For this video, I'm going to be making snowman boxes. These are fun little projects that you can do for a gift, to decorate your house, put under the tree, for the kids, whatever you would like. And you can customize these boxes and change them out to the colors and designs that you would like. For this project, you're going to need 12 by 12-inch cardstock because of the size of the cuts for the bottom box. You're also going to need some scissors, some form of being able to stick them together like tape or glue, any kind of crafting glue that you would like. For this video, I used a little bit of a glue stick and tape for the boxes and to glue all the pieces on the box for the face and buttons and everything. And you will also need a scoring tool for your Cricut machine so that you can score the lines to be able to fold the boxes. So let's get started. So this is the project, all of the different pieces. You can customize it, colors, you can change up so that the buttons and the face aren't cardstock, they're sticker paper. It's really up to you. You can change the bow from cardstock to a ribbon. You can and add a piece of a twig and cherries to the hat, make it a little more Christmassy. You can customize these however you like. And these boxes are interchangeable for different seasons. You can turn it into different things. You can make this box a nutcracker just by changing the face and the colors. You can make it a bunny for Easter. You can make it a leprechaun for St. Patrick's Day. You can make these birthday boxes. You can really do anything with these boxes. But for this video, I'm making these boxes into a little snowman. So we're going to go through and we're going to cut all of the different pieces with all of the different colors. Now, if you pre-cut out the sizes you need for all the different colors, you can put them all on one mat and space it all out so that you only have to like do the cut once if you'd like. That is an option to make it a little bit quicker and easier for you. Now I use this little tool to pick up the cardstock off of the paper so it doesn't curl as I'm lifting it off the paper. So once you got it all cut out and all put together and gathered everything that you need, next is you're left with is just putting it all together. Now, this takes a little bit of time and practice. The more you might do this, the better you get. Oh, and I also cut out all of the excess from the cardstock so that I could reuse the rest of the cardstock for other projects. No sense wasting the rest of the cardstock. Reuse it or use it for another project. It's perfectly good cardstock. So the first thing I did when putting this together was build a hat and then attach all of the little pieces to the hat. Then I built the snowman head and body. It This came out so cute. I did switch up. I was using a glue stick to put the boxes together, but then I switched it up and used tape because it was holding faster and better and just ended up putting the boxes together better so that the lid fit on the box properly. The glue stick just wasn't cooperating with me. I could have given a Mod Podge a try and used a brush to brush it on the boxes and stuff, but in the moment I had tape right there, so I just switched from glue stick to tape, and then I used the glue stick to glue on the face and the buttons and all of that stuff. The nose was a little tricky because it was like a 3D nose, but it did come out really cute. I am happy with this project. you can put candies, gifts, jewelry, anything you want in here. You can make it as like a, a centerpiece for a table with Christmas candies or cookies in it. So for a party or Christmas Day, you can have it as a decoration on the mantle, on a shelf, under the tree. It's really up to you what you want to do with this. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and like seeing me make this cute little snowman box set. Let me know what you guys think of this set in the comments below. If you haven't already, click the like button. And if you want to see more of me crafting, hit the subscribe button. And I'll see you guys next time. Have an amazing day, everybody.